Hey everybody, I got a haul. This is your girl Kim. I'm back again with another video. This is my online haul. These are the soaps that was on sale for $3.95, I believe. Can't even remember how much I paid for these doggone things, but my order came this morning, so I'm gonna open it up and show y'all what I got. And no, I'm not gonna be in a video because your girl. And as y'all see, it's a ton. We gon' see. Take all the paper out. The receipt out. Okay, I got 3 of the bright citrus sunflower. Had to, because I absolutely love this. Yes, yeah, I had to. Autumn some more because I absolutely love the coconut some more candle, so I decided to just give this a try. So yeah, 2 of these. Yay. Lakeside life. Lakeside life. I decided to grab 4 of these, and the scent note is bergamot, wild sage, and a touch of evergreen. I actually didn't think that I would like these, but I got a couple of extras to exchange, maybe 2 or 3, because I was thinking I probably wasn't gonna like it. So let me smell it real quick. It's not bad. You most definitely get that bergamot scent. This is most definitely a masculine scent to me. So the reason why I got 4, like I said, I was planning on exchanging 3 of them because I wanted to get the French lavender. And when I was checking out, I actually had them in my cart and then they sold out. So I figured I'll grab a lot of something that I really didn't want. So I decided to get 4 of these. The Cozy Vanilla Cream. The reason why I got the Cozy Vanilla Cream is I'm actually gonna mix these along with, let's see. And also I got the warm, what is this? Warm vanilla sugar. So the reason why I got these 4 is because I was gonna mix them with the French lavender. I'm trying to recreate the lavender marshmallow hand soap since I can't buy it. So I decided I would grab a few of the vanilla scented, I don't know why I want to say candles, but I decided to grab a couple of the vanilla scented hand wash or soaps, I mean, and I will mix it with the lavender and hopefully I'll get the scent that I'm looking for. So yes, this is an old one, but this is something that they always have, I'm assuming. So yeah, decided to get this one because of the lavender marshmallow one. It's more like a creamy lavender. I think if I mix it with one of these 2, it'll probably work. The white cranberry cabernet. So yeah, I got these, just assuming that since I love cranberry, I might like these. So we're going to see this. Okay, so now since I showed y'all everything that I have, let's see what these smell like. I have one in my hand, which is the warm vanilla sugar. The scent notes is creamy vanilla and sugar. I do have the candle. I actually really don't like the candle. I prefer this as body care over home fragrance. But I only got these to mix with the lavender hand soap to try to make the lavender marshmallow hand soap. So that was the only reason why I decided to get these 2. Let's go nuts, which is Cozy Vanilla Cream. Again, I bought this one to mix with the French lavender hand soap to make the lavender marshmallow. The scent notes in this one is whipped frosting, sweet cream, and a vanilla bean. Let's see. This one smells exactly like the marshmallow note that's inside of that lavender marshmallow hand soap. So I got a feeling this one is gonna be the perfect blend with that hand soap. I think this is gonna be the one. I might return these and get more of that one. I might. This is the autumn s'mores, and like I said, the reason why I bought this one is because it reminded me of the toasted coconut s'more, you know. So I'm thinking that it might smell similar, not the same, but it might smell similar to that without the coconut. Okay, the scent notes in this one is crisp apples, gooey marshmallow, and cinnamon spice. It ain't gonna smell nothing like it because it has the apple as well as the cinnamon. It's actually nice. It's okay. This one is okay. Yeah, this is okay. I most definitely will have to use it in order to see if I really like it. But on cold sniff, I most definitely get the apple. It's like the first thing I smell. Yeah, the apple is most definitely the first thing I smell. So yeah, we're gonna have to see what that do. Then, like I said earlier, I bought 4 of these because I plan on exchanging maybe 2 or maybe 3. More than likely I'm just going to exchange 2 because I like to buy my hand soaps in 2s just in case I actually love it. At least I know I have 2. So more than likely I might exchange 2 of them depending on how I love them. I did smell this one earlier. It smelled more of a cologne. You really get that bergamot in it, and you most definitely get the evergreen. I actually didn't think I would like this one, but smelling it, I kind of do. But we're gonna see. When I use it, I'm gonna see if I really like it. And you never know, I might end up keeping all 4 of them. Okay, then the next one, because I absolutely love this candle, the bright citrus sunflower candle, I just knew I had to grab the hand soap. I had to get the hand soap. So I bought 3 of them. The scent notes in this one is mandarin orange, golden sunflower, and sugar cane. This is so good. Most definitely smell the oranges in this. This actually smells a little different from the candle, but I don't know. I haven't lit the candle in a long time because I actually only have 2. Well, you might as well say 1.5 because one of them is almost gone. So this smells like it has more orange than what I remember from the candle. But anyway, I love it, so I decided to grab 3. Love the bottle. I love this yellow. So nice. Cranberry Cabernet. Let's see what this smells like. This has jasmine, cranberry, and oak wood. This actually smells really, really good. This one smells so good, and I actually really like the way the packaging look. I love that packaging. Love that light. It's like a lilac color. This smells really good, and I actually wish I had got more. So yes, that is my haul. That's all of the hand soaps that I got. Yes, that's all the soaps that I got in this haul so far. I'm really happy with all of them. Only one I think I'm gonna take back is, like I said, the Lakeside Life. Some of those might go back, and this one, I forgot to add that one in there. Yeah, I might return the vanilla sugar one and get more of this one if I could find it. Because to me, this one smells more like that marshmallow that I'm looking for. So yeah, I'm going to probably return this one and then grab 2 of the French lavender hand soap because they were completely sold out online. But a couple of my stores in the area do have some. So that's what I'm going to do. with that. So let me know, what kind of soaps did you buy on the hand soap sale? I actually was not gonna participate in this sale. I ordered this stuff at the last minute, I think like midnight. I placed this order. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, did you get any soaps on this last soap sale? Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave your girls some comments. And also, y'all, follow me on Instagram. I'm still trying to get my numbers up over there. I truly appreciate it. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.